Do you think only a few people are born with maths brains? Well, think again. What if I told you that you can become a maths genius by using these 7 simple steps? Whether you're struggling with maths right now or you want to improve your skills in maths, this video will help you unlock your potentials. Now let's begin. The first tip I'm going to be giving you is determination. Determination is the ability to strive, to keep on working harder no matter the difficulty. A lot of people hate maths or they feel like maths is difficult because they don't have determination. Determination is very important because it will help you work harder even if you face challenges. When you're working hard to achieve this, you will face a lot of challenges. So for you to overcome these challenges, you have to be determined. Now you might ask, how can I get determined? There are different ways to get determined. Just ask yourself this question: why spend my time solving maths? You have to have a reason for solving it. Some reasons that you might have to solve maths might be that you want to be the best in maths in your class, or maybe you're getting a gift from someone for being very good in maths, or the course you want to study will be needing maths. So once you answer this question, you'll be able to have a reason to study, a reason to solve maths. So once you get determined, you'll be able to overcome a lot of challenges that you face, because sometimes you might feel like quitting because maths can be frustrating. So after achieving this determination, that takes us to the second step, which is study the fundamentals. So you have to go back, know those topics that are important. Some people just go to complex problems without even knowing the fundamentals, and it can make them to hate maths because they might be solving and they will not still be getting the answers to the question. So knowing the fundamentals is very important. Without knowing these fundamental topics, how can you solve these complex problems? So you have to know them. Some fundamental topics I can give you are fractions, decimals, approximation and estimation, simple interest, and the rest of them. There are lots of them. In another video, I will be releasing some fundamental topics you need to know before you go to other topics in maths. After studying these fundamental topics, that leads us to the third step, which is understanding the concepts. A lot of students don't understand the concept. They feel like they already know it once their teacher teach. They normally memorize formulas. So you have to understand the concept before using the formula, because some formulas require you to first understand the concept. You cannot just use the formula without understanding the concept. There are different ways you can understand the concept. For me, I use visualization to visualize shapes, objects, how it happens in real life. I also use real life scenarios to try to understand the topics. And also, all those formulas that you learn, it's not a must that you count them. You can just know the how they are derived, how they are gotten. That is another way to understand the concept. When you're trying to understand, ask yourself, why is it like this? Why did they solve like this? If you don't still understand the concept, you can go to YouTube channels, you can go to your teachers, you can go to different platforms. That's learning for you. Go to different places, try to understand what that thing really is. The first step is practice. Remember the saying, practice makes perfect. Always practice, 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 practice. After understanding the concepts, what you do is practice. That is a way to know if you really understood that concept. So for me, I recommend you using past question papers because it covers a wide range of topics. When you use past question papers, you'll be able to cover a lot of topics within a short period of time. Once you learn a particular topic, make sure you solve not less than 30 questions. That's very important because the more you solve, the easier it becomes. So just solve lots and lots of questions. Once you learn a particular topic, try solving as many questions as possible. Even if you fail, don't feel bad, just don't give up. That is why determination is very important. That leads us to the fifth step, which is study with people that are better than you at maths. This is another thing that can help you study maths faster. When you study with people that are better than you at maths, you will know the way they think, the way they understand some topics in maths, and you can ask them questions and you will be able to learn quickly from them. You know that those people that you surround yourself with, you always get influenced by them. If you want to get better at maths, surround yourself with people that know maths, people that are good in maths. It might not really be physically surrounding yourself with them. It can also be surrounding yourself with them through social media, through videos. You go to YouTube, you go to WhatsApp, you can join some groups in WhatsApp. I have something for you guys. So we are going to be having a 30 days free lesson in this WhatsApp group. The name of the WhatsApp group is Maths Tutorial for Undergraduates. I'll be sending the link in the description below. You can also check my profile for the link.
So this is what it looks like. As you can see, we have already started our lesson. So quickly join before this free lesson expires. I love this group because students are given assignments at the end of each lesson, and they're also given exercises at the middle of every lesson to make them have a deeper knowledge and understanding of that particular topic. We also have the assignment help group. This assignment help group allows students to post their assignments which they find challenging.
The next step we are going to be looking at is know your weak points and tackle them. Once you know your weak points, you'll be able to get stronger. Once you know your strong points and you know your weak points, you'll get better. Just tackle mostly your weak points. Go straight to your weak point. Tackle them. Try to understand your more on that weak points, and I know you'll get better. Please, as you've watched up to this extent, kindly subscribe and like this video, and I'll be dropping a bonus tip at the end of this video. Now let's go to the seventh tip, which is seek help when you need it. Always seek help. No one is perfect. Go to your teachers, go to your friends, go to anywhere, go to YouTube and seek for help. Any problem that you're solving and you don't know it, you can seek help, you can go to anyone for help. So that's all. The bonus tip I'm going to give you guys is always believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can do it. It's not something that is impossible. You might not know really that you're very good at math, but you just have to try first. Try first before you start judging yourself. So that's it. That's all. Believe in yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel now so that you can watch more videos like this and also like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.